Hello Porsche and BMW enthusiasts, and welcome to Bimmer Specialty TV. My name is Will and I really appreciate you checking out this video. If you are into classic Porsche content, if you're into BMW content, then I strongly recommend you subscribe to my channel. I make videos about my Porsche 993 911, and I also make videos about my classic BMWs that I own. So please subscribe. Now, the question of the day is, what does this box right here have to do with this car over here? And I'll tell you, the box contains a part that I bought off of a gentleman on in the 993 Rennthusiast Facebook group. So I will go ahead and give you a spoiler alert. This box contains clear corner markers for this car. Very common mod that guys do. I thought I'd make this video, this short and sweet video about this topic. I'm going to do a quick installation component to the video just so you can kind of see how this works. This should be very plug and play. That's what I was told, and logic would tell me that. Okay, let us now check out the condition of these. Looks pretty clean. Don't see any problems so far. Nothing's cracked. Nothing's broken. I've not ever owned these before. There is some glue there. I don't know if that's how they came or what. Let's check out this one. Looks good too. And there is glue on that one too, telling me that this is probably how it should be. So, looks pretty good. Let's get to the next step. Okay, very straightforward. We're going to unscrew this screw right here. You got to kind of push that in when you twist it. And that's good. And as you can see, you want to make sure that lines up there. There we go. All right, what you're going to want to do is repeat that on both sides. Let's take a look at the, we'll do a comparison now while I got one on and one not on. So, looks a lot cleaner in my opinion than this over here. I mean, I think there's something to be said for the factory look. But you know, I like these subtle mods. I think that you know, it's a really easy way, as you can see, that was totally plug and play, but it's an easy way to kind of make the car feel like your own. So you saw what this looks like. I'm not sure if you're just kind of messing around, wasting time looking at 993 content, or if you're really thinking about doing this yourself, but I hope that this video has been beneficial. So I really appreciate you watching. Keep your eyes peeled for more content.